We're talking about an ancient remedy that's making a comeback: clove water. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and when infused in water, they have a range of health benefits. Improves digestion. Cloves are packed with eugenol, an active compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Drinking clove water before bed can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier to break down food and preventing issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. So if you often feel uncomfortable after dinner, clove water might be the perfect nighttime remedy for you. Boosts immunity. Clove water is also great for your immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radicals and strengthen your immune defenses. By drinking clove water regularly, you're giving your body a natural immunity boost, something especially helpful during cold and flu season. Reduces inflammation and pain relief. Cloves have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve pain and inflammation in the body. If you struggle with joint pain or body aches, drinking clove water may provide gentle relief by reducing inflammation over time. It's like a natural anti-inflammatory drink that works while you sleep. Promotes better sleep. Did you know that clove water can even help with sleep? Cloves contain compounds that can relax your muscles and reduce stress, helping you drift off into a peaceful sleep. Plus, by easing digestion, it prevents uncomfortable bloating and indigestion that can disturb sleep. Supports oral health. Cloves are well known for their oral health benefits. Thanks to their antibacterial properties, drinking clove water at night can help reduce bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath and other dental issues. So, it's not only a drink, it's also like a gentle mouthwash that works overnight. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. For those concerned about blood sugar levels, clove water might be helpful. Studies suggest that cloves may support insulin function, which can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Drinking clove water before bed could help regulate blood sugar overnight, making it beneficial for those looking to manage their levels naturally. How to make clove water. Now here's a simple way to make clove water. Just take 2 to 3 cloves and let them steep in a cup of warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can drink it warm or let it cool down before bedtime. Make it a habit and you may start noticing these health benefits over time. So there you have it. 6 amazing reasons to add clove water to your nightly routine. From improved digestion to better sleep, this simple drink could bring a lot of benefits to your health. Thanks so much for watching.